Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I will start a series of videos recording myself implementing a N8N like workflow system application like the one you see on the screen. And in today's video I will just start by making an integration with the Slack application. So I will show you how the basis of the project look like. Basically, I will start a Node.js project that have some endpoints. Each endpoint will be the trigger of a workflow system. For now, I just have a post request with a registration workflow. In this registration workflow, I expect a user-like message, which will be actually, as you see here on this other screen, the name and the email of a user. And when this request is sent, it will trigger a workflow that is available in this YAML file. And for each workflow, we will have several actions. So for now, I will just implement the Slack action, which will be available inside this slack.js file. So here we will implement sending a request to a Slack channel, but in future videos, I will add integrations with other third-party services like Twitter or maybe Google Calendar or Gmail and that stuff. So yeah, let's go through it. To send a message to Slack, we need two things. First, we need the Slack channel, which is the ID of a Slack channel, and then a Slack token, which is an authentication token that you can get through the Slack API. So let's get this one, which is the easier one. Let's go to our Slack platform. And here I have several channels. I will just pick one. I will just pick this one. And here in the top of the browser, in this part of the URL, we have the channel ID. Remember that I'm on the test workspace. So what I create on the Slack API afterwards must be under this workspace as well. So I'll just copy this ID here, and then I'll just go to the Slack API. I will go under your apps section here in this side of the URL, and then I will click create an app. I will click create from scratch, and then I will give my app a name. I will give a workspace. Remember the test workspace because it's the workspace we selected. Okay, so now our application is created. And now we need an authentication token from here. We'll go to authentication and permissions. And then we will go to the scope section. And we actually want a both token scope, right? So we will click this authentication scope and we will look for the chat write permission. So be able to write on a chat. We will click this one, chat write public, and it says that we have chat write public and chat write at the same time. So add scopes. Okay, so now we created the privileges we want, and then we go back to app home. Sorry, not here. I think it's yes, I think we have to click install to test. We'll have to go this section, install to test. and then we click allow. Okay, so now here we have a bot authentication token. So we will just copy this and we will paste this just here. And now what we have to do is to build a construct to call to the Slack the API with these keys that we just built. So this is a dummy implementation that was provided by the AI template. So I will just remove Axios because I don't need Axios. I will actually remove it from my package.json. It's already removed, so yeah, much better. So we will say require .env config because we need this package to access the .env files via the process.env variable. And now what we need also is the web client of Slack. I mean, the AI already knows what we want. So require Slack web API. Yes, it's correct. And inside the send Slack function, we will just create this web client object. And now what we will do is to, yes, create a try catch to send the information to Slack. Here it offers us console error and error occurred while sending a message to Slack. Yeah, that's correct. And then we will return the result. And then here we will say const result await web client dot chat dot post message. And here we need to specify the channel that we are going to use and the text that we are going to use as well. So channel is process.env.slack channel, and then the text will be, yeah, that would be enough. So new user registered, new user registered, user dot name, new user registered with email, yeah, something like that. Console.log Slack message sent successfully. Yeah, that would be enough. Okay. And we will remove this because this was from the dummy implementation we had. Okay, so now with the information we have, first I have to install those dependencies, right? So I have to install .env and Slack web API. So npm install.env Slack / web API. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, it doesn't. I will just do it separately. Install Slack web API like this. It's taking a bit. Okay, so if we check, if I check my package.json, they are there. If we go back here, now I think that we can run this. npm start. The server is running on localhost 3000. Now let's see if my message is sent to the general test. Okay, success, true. And here, if you see in the console, it tells you the scopes we had in our bot application, the scopes we needed for this send request, and yeah, a message of the result of what we sent, right? New user registered, Juan Perez with email, blah, blah, blah. And then if we go to our channel test, then here we have the message sent. So, okay, so this is a first start. I will move forward with other integrations. If you like what you see, just don't forget to press the like button and follow me on the next video. Bye bye.